do I determine when to replace a wireless oxygen gas sensing element? If it's been a few months since you've used your oxygen gas sensor, or you're noticing that the data is not responding as you expect, it may be time to replace the sensing element. So to check, I've got my wireless oxygen gas sensor connected in SPARKvue here, and I can see in the live data bar that it's giving a value of 20.9%. But I need to check what the factory non-user calibrated value would be. So I tap that live data measurement and I select Calibrate Measurement. Go to Restore Factory Calibration and click Restore. Now we can see that the value is down to 16.1%. So if your value is greater than 15.5% and less than 26%, the sensing element is still good. This value shows that the sensing element is still good, but let me show you how to change your sensing element if it is outside of the range. Untwist the snout. Be cautious around the flap, that is a sensor. Gently remove the old sensing element and get your new element. Again, being cautious around the flap. Line up the pins. Gently push the sensing element into the sensor, all the way in. Again, using caution around the flap when you put the snout back on. And when you're closing and twisting that snout back on, just a barely hand tight is good. Then you'll want to calibrate after adding the new element.